So dear friends, now today we take the Einstein's theory of lattice heat capacity part 2. In part 1 we have seen that the atom consists of crystal consists of number of atoms or lattice points, and this each atom it is a quantum oscillator. In Dulong-Petit's law, it was assumed that they are harmonic oscillators, classical harmonic oscillators. We can say that in this case आइन्स्टाईनने काय सांगितले, त्याला क्वांटम ऑसिलेटर म्हणूया, आणि प्रत्येकाची एनर्जी ही डिस्क्रीट आहे, अशी कंटिन्युअस नाही, आणि ते डिस्क्रीट असल्यामुळं आपण ते समेशन साइन घेतलं होतं. पण ड्युलॉंग आणि पेटिट्स लॉमध्ये आपण इंटिग्रेशन घेतलं होतं. तिथं काय त्यांनी सांगितलं की the energy of the oscillator is continuous. So in case of this Einstein, the energy of each harmonic oscillator is discrete. ही वेगवेगळ्या ह्याच्या आपल्याला समेशन साइन घ्यावी लागली, and thereby we have determined the energy of each quantum oscillator, average energy epsilon n bar. So it is n, epsilon n bar equal to h cross omega naught 1/2 plus 1 upon e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt. Just you have seen that omega naught is the angular frequency of each quantum oscillator. As you know that kB is Boltzmann constant and T is the absolute temperature. So this is last time we have determined. So in this case, the given crystal consists of n number of quantum oscillator, and therefore we can write that there are 3n number of quantum oscillator, not n. 3n harmonic oscillator, quantum oscillator, which are oscillating along the one direction, and therefore we can say that this epsilon total energy of the crystal is equal to 3n epsilon n bar. So this is the one above equation 4 represents the average energy of a quantum oscillator. Suppose given crystal consists of 3n number of quantum oscillators, then just you multiply, you will get the energy, and therefore we have E equal to, just you multiply, so 3n h cross omega naught 1/2 plus 1 upon e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt minus 1. So this is, you take it inside this equation, so you will get E equal to 3n h cross omega naught 3/2 n h cross omega naught, because 1/2 plus, we can write like this, 3n h cross omega naught upon e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt minus 1. So this is Boltzmann constant. Kb is a Boltzmann constant. So this gives the energy of each oscillator, just we have determined here. So this is just we have determined. Now we determine the specific heat, or it is called as lattice specific heat. So specific heat Cv equal to, so just you write here Cv equal to, by definition, dou E by dou T at constant volume. So we can write like this. Now we can, again, due to limitation of the board, I will write here, that is Cv equal to dou E by dou T. That is Cv equal to dou by dou T of, just substitute the value of E, that is 3/2 n h cross omega naught plus, again I can write this 3n h cross omega naught के वरती है, just you take in numerator, So you will get, I will score out on this, e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt minus 1 bracket raised to minus 1. So I will put it in the bracket. बघा हे पुढचं हे समजायचं, हा व्हिडिओ जर समजायचा असेल तर मागचा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला केअरफुली स्टडी करा. हे दोन्ही व्हिडिओ एकदम बघा, तर तुम्हाला ती आइन्स्टाईन थेरी आपल्या लिमिटेशनमुळे, तुमच्या डाटा प्रॉब्लेममुळे आपल्याला तो प्रॉब्लेम येतोय की थोडा थोडा पार्टमध्ये आपल्याला घ्यायला लागतो. सो सी व्ही इक्वल टू डो बाय डी टी. सो नाव विल डिफरन्शिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू पार्शियल रेशियो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टी. आता हे सगळं कॉन्स्टंट क्वांटिटी आहे, म्हणजे त्याचं डिफरन्शिएशन 0 येणार आहे. सो सी व्ही इक्वल टू 0. आता याचं डिफरन्शिएशन घ्या, डो ए बाय डो टी. आता पहिल्यांदा 3n, सो आय कॅन राईट लाईक 3n h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट. ही कॉन्स्टंट क्वांटिटी आहे ना. ओमेगा नॉट इज अँग्युलर फ्रिक्वेन्सी, इज ऑसिलेट विथ द सेम फ्रिक्वेन्सी असं त्यांनी अश्युम केलेलं आहे. तसं ॲक्च्युअली नसतंय. प्रत्येक ॲटम हा वेगळ्या फ्रिक्वेन्सीने, प्रत्येक ऑसिलेटर हा वेगळा, हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर हा वेगळा फ्रिक्वेन्सी आहे. पण इथं ते असम्पशन घेतलेलं आहे आणि हे पुढचं असम्पशन डी बाय थेरीमध्ये आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये बघणार आहोत. सो 3n h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट. आता याचं असं डिफरन्शिएशन काय सांगा. आता इथं काही -1 इंटू ई रेस टू एच क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kBt ब्रॅकेट रेस टू -2. बरोबर आहे का. आता याचं डिफरन्शिएशन असलं ई रेस टू एक्सचं डिफरन्शिएशन ई रेस टू एक्स. सो दॅट इज एच क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kBt. बरोबर आहे. आणि त्याचं डिफरन्शिएशन 0. परत त्याचं डिफरन्शिएशन 1 अपॉन टीचं डिफरन्शिएशन इंटू एच क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kB and 1 upon t is the differentiation minus 1 upon t square. So this is the differentiation. So that is CV equal to, आता इथं बघा 3n h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट, h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट काय येईल, h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर डिवायडेड बाय, आणि -1 आणि -1 प्लस होणार आहे, त्यामुळे डिवाइड बाय kB. राईट. kB आहे तसं आलं. आता इथं बघा ई रेस टू एच क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kBt. ठीक वर टाका आणि खाली टाकायचं ई रेस टू एच क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kBt. हे -1 -1 बरोबर, -1 ब्रॅकेट रेस टू हे +2 आणि तर टी स्क्वेअर टाका. हे टी स्क्वेअर टाका. इथं -1 येणार, -1 nx रेस टू n -1, मग ह्या ब्रॅकेटचं -1 इंटू या ब्रॅकेटचा रेस टू 2. सो दिस इज द डिफरन्शिएशन. So CV equal to 3n h cross omega naught bracket square upon kB t square e raised to h cross omega naught kBt divided by e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt -1 bracket square. आता इथं परत आता CV equal to, so we will write like this, CV equal to, आता multiply by kB divided by kB. So you will get 3n h cross omega naught bracket square. इथं kB square लिहा, त्यात k square लिहा, इथं वरती लिहा kB, multiply kB divided by kB. It means the same thing. E raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt -1 bracket raised to 2. So this is again we simplify this equation. CV equal to 3n, आता इथे मी असं लिहू शकतो h cross omega naught upon kB t bracket square आणि परत e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT inside the bracket e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT minus 1 bracket raised to 2. So this is the expression. So we can put like this expression. Now put h cross omega naught upon kb equal to theta e. h cross omega naught upon kb equal to theta e. ह्या theta e ला म्हणायचं Einstein's temperature constant. So we'll put, so above equation becomes, so I will score out all this. So we can write like this, CV equal to 3n. Theta च्या theta e होय की नाही. So that is theta e upon 3 bracket square, and that is, we can write like this, e raised to theta e upon t inside the bracket e raised to theta e upon t minus 1 bracket square. So this is the equation. We can put this equation as a phi. So we will write this equation as equation 5. So above equation gives the lattice specific heat. CV is equal to 3n theta e by t bracket square e raised to theta e upon t into e raised to theta e upon t minus 1 bracket square. So this is. So now we put two conditions here. Here we discuss the two conditions. What will be the value for above specific for higher temperature and for lower temperature. So we'll consider two cases. So I will write here theta e is equal to h cross omega naught upon kb. एका बाजूला आपण घेऊन घेऊया, त्याचा stop here. So here this is the expression. Now for higher temperature, for high temperature, we consider two cases. So first case is for high temperature. Now you know that this value, that is theta e upon t, just substitute value, that is h cross omega naught upon kBt, right? So you know that h cross omega naught upon kBt is theta e upon t. Now in our equation, as t is high, so we can say that kBt is very much greater than h cross omega naught, right? So kBt is very much greater than h cross omega naught, or we can say that t is very much greater than h cross omega naught upon kb. So we can write like this. So here we can put like this. So this is one thing. So t is equal to, t is very much greater than h cross omega naught upon kb, and therefore we take one approximation, that is e raised to theta e upon t is equal to e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt is approximately equal to 1 plus h cross omega naught upon kBt. So e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBt is equal to 1 plus, remember plus theta square cube aside, but higher terms are neglected. So here we can say that is higher terms are neglected. So we can write this, higher terms are neglected. So we can take approximation. आणि कमी कमी होतं, ती वाढेल जसं कमी कमी होत जाणार ना ही values. So we can say this is 1 plus h cross, and therefore now we can so equation 5 becomes, so we can substitute this value in equation 5. सो आय राईट. सो काय केलं बघा, थिटा पण टी इक्वल टू टी जर जास्त असेल तर केबीटी केबीने मल्टिप्लाय नाही एच क्रॉस ओमेगापेक्षा जास्त असणार आणि त्यामुळे टी ह्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त असणार आहे. तर हा रेशो आला. आता हेच ॲप्रॉक्सिमेशन म्हणून काय करायचं, ई रेशो थिटा अपॉन टी इज इक्वल टू थिटाची व्हॅल्यू टाकाय आणि दॅट इज अप्रॉक्सिमेटली इक्वल टू 1 प्लस एच क्रॉस ओमेगा. ही एक एक्सपोनेन्शियल सिरीज आहे की मॅथमॅटिक्सचा पार्ट आहे, की तुम्ही पाठ करायचं एवढं लक्षात ठेवायचं यासाठी. सो विल सबस्टिट्यूट दिस व्हॅल्यू इन इक्वेशन 5. So we can write like this. So we can write like this. CV 3n h cross omega naught upon kBT bracket square. इथं काय e raised 1 plus e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT. हे असंच लिहिलं ना आपण. बरोबर. E1 plus h cross no. Now we substitute the value in case of equation 5 मध्ये काय टाकायची, इक्वेशन हार्मोनिक ऑसिलेटर मध्ये टाकायची. So we have epsilon n bar. We have derived this equation epsilon n bar equal to h cross omega naught. Equation 4 1/2 plus 1 over e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT minus 1 bracket. So this is the value of epsilon n bar. So we can write like this. So epsilon n bar equal to h cross omega naught 1/2 plus आता आपण काढलेलं आहे मगाशी e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT is approximately equal to 1 plus h cross omega naught upon kBT. So we substitute this. आता 1 plus 1 1 cancel होईल. So 1 upon h cross omega naught upon kBT. So this is. So therefore epsilon n bar equal to, you take it, that is h cross omega naught 1/2 plus the kBT what is I kBT divided by h cross omega naught. So epsilon n bar equal to 1/2 h cross omega naught. We cancel with, so plus kBT. So this gives the average energy of oscillator for higher temperature. And again we determine total energy E equal to 3n epsilon n bar. So again we can write like this 3n epsilon bar. बघा मगाशी मी ते चुकीचं टाकलं CV मध्ये टाकायला नाही पाहिजे होतं. ॲव्हरेज एनर्जी इक्वेशन 4 मध्ये आहे. दिस इज इक्वेशन 4. त्यामध्ये ही अप्रोक्सिमेशन टाकायची मगाशी मी डिराइव्ह केलं होतं. सो यू विल गेट द टोटल एनर्जी 3n epsilon n bar. Now we will substitute the value in this expression. So we can write like this: E equal to 3n inside the bracket 1/2 h cross omega naught plus kBT. n. So you take it, this T equal to 3/2 n h cross omega naught plus 3n kBT. So this is another. And you know that again specifically take common language. Dou E by dou T at constant volume, that is dou by dou T of 3/2 n h cross omega naught plus 3n kBt. So that is CV equal to, त्याचा 0 येणार आणि प्लस इथे किती येणार आहे 3n kB or CV equal to 3n kB. So this is the specific heat or lattice specific heat of a given crystal. But for 1 molar of given crystal, for molar specific heat, so molar specific heat is given by molar specific heat is given by CV equal to 3n is replaced by Na, that is Avogadro number into kB. आणि Na kB म्हणजे काय? Cancel. That is universal equal to 3R. Universal gas constant. So is CV equal to 3R. Now this is nothing but the DeLong and Petit's law. So these theorems for higher temperature they satisfy the that is at higher temperature what happens, the specific heat at constant volume or lattice specific or lattice capacity is a constant quantity. So this proves CV equal to 3R. Now we consider second case, that is for lower temperature. So again I will write like this. Second case for lower temperature. So again so we can say that H cross omega naught upon kBt, that is equal to, that is theta E upon P. For lower temperature, this temperature is low, so we can say that H cross omega naught is greater than kBt. So it is favorable, and therefore we can say that T is very much less than H cross omega naught upon kB, and therefore we can say that E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt can be taken as approximately equal to 1. Again we take, that is 1 plus E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt. So we can write like this: E raised to H cross omega naught kBt is approximately taken as, for this is exponential for lower temperature. For if temperature is low, पहिल्या केस मध्ये काय temperature is high, that's why taken E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt is equal to 1 plus H cross omega naught upon kBt. आता इथे काय केले 1 plus E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt. So now we substitute this value in equation 4. So I will write here, hence equation 4 becomes, so we can write like this, that is epsilon n bar equal to, so I will write here epsilon n bar equal to H cross omega naught, equation for of 1/2 plus 1 by E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt minus 1. So अपनी पहली इक्वेशन लिखिए. So we can write this. आता हे काय करायचं? So we substitute these values. Just we have determined. So epsilon n bar equal to H cross omega naught 1/2 के plus 1 minus 1 is राहील आणि फक्त राहील काय plus 1 upon E raised to H cross omega naught upon kBt. So this is. So above equation gives the average energy of harmonic oscillator or quantum oscillator for lower temperature. Again same thing, the total energy E is equal to 3n epsilon n bar. Again we can write like this, E equal to, आता हे आताच घ्या 3n 3/2 h cross omega naught plus 3n h cross omega naught divided by e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT. So this is the total energy just we have determined. Again we go for आता CV बघा same formulas आहेत this that we have to determine, that is specific lattice heat capacity equal to dou E by dou T at constant volume, that is equal to dou by dou T of 3/2 n h cross omega naught plus 3n h cross omega naught upon e raised to h cross omega naught upon kBT. So we can write like this. So this assumes. So again we differentiate. पहिला differentiate 0 येणार आहे. So CV equal to 0 plus. So we can write this dou by dou T of n 3n h cross omega naught and कंसात we are e raised to minus h cross omega naught upon kBT. बरोबर आहे. So that is, so CV equal to 3n h cross omega naught हे बाजूला करा, that is e raised to चे रिप्रेझेंट काय e raised to minus h cross omega naught kBT. e raised to चे डिफरेंशियल e raised to minus h cross omega naught upon kBT into आता इथं डिप्रेशन काय येईल मायनस h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट अपॉन kB and 1 upon depreciation minus 1 upon t square. So this is one thing. So CV equal to हे h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट हे h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट ये माइनस माइनस प्लस हुई 3n h क्रॉस ओमेगा नॉट ब्रैकेट स्क्वायर अपॉन kb इधर t स्क्वायर इज e raised to minus h cross omega naught upon kBT. So this is the differentiation. Again we can take जे मागच्या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये केले तसं करायचं, multiply by kb divided by kb, so you will get CV equal to 3n. आता मी डायरेक्ट लिहितो, that is 3n h cross omega naught upon kBT bracket square 3n kb से लिहितो 3n kb multiply divided by kb square झालं into e raised to minus h cross omega naught upon kBT. So this is, now again we can put like this, h cross omega naught upon kb equal to theta e. So we can write like this, CV equal to 3n kb theta e upon t bracket square e raised to minus theta e upon t. So this is the expression for lattice heat capacity for lower temperature. Now look at this figure. That is, as specific heat increases at lower temperature, as temperature in lower temperature section, as temperature decreases, the specific heat also decreases. तर आपण तो ग्राफ पाहिला होता बघा CV अगेन्स्ट टेम्परेचर, तर तो हायर टेम्परेचर हा इथपर्यंत 3R ला होता आणि तो असा होता, होय की नाही, ते असा होता, असा क्रॉस. तर हा जो पार्ट आहे तो हा एक्सप्लेन बाय दिस इक्वेशन. So this, as temperature decreases, CV decreases exponentially for lower temperature. At higher temperature, this Cv becomes constant. It is clear. So this is Coulomb-Petit's law, and according to Einstein, as temperature for lower temperature, as temperature decreases, the Cv decreases, but exponentially. So this is हा ग्राफ आपण पाहिला मी तुम्हाला दिला एक काढून ग्राफ. So this is so this completes your Einstein's theory of lattice heat capacity. हे वाचा, हे सरळ थर्मल व्हायब्रेशन, हे सलग वाचा, हे लगेच 1-2 लेक्चर वाचलं आणि समजलं. लेक्चर बघा, नोट्स बघण्यापेक्षा लेक्चर बघा, आणि लेक्चरमध्ये समजलं नसेल तर तुम्हाला काही फोन करत चला, डिस्कस करा. सो आय विल गिव्ह यू रिप्लाय. ओके, थँक्यू.